Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2021 Nissan Altima. With less than 35,000 miles on the... Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, power driver's seat. Get into a family-focused sedan that knows how to have fun. This sporty Altima won't last long. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.